Hi friends, this video shows how to fix app crashes or memory overflows. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Then go to system, go to about. Under about, go down and select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go down. Then under system we can find a new option called developer options. Select it. Then go down and find app section. Here we can find app section. Under apps, select background process limit. By default this would be standard limit. We can change this to at most 3 processes or 2 processes. So this way we can fix app crashes or memory overflow issue. Just reduce a number of background processes, so that way we can free up some RAM. Okay, you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.